Hello and welcome. My name is Luca Moschini and I will be your instructor for this course. I am the founder of Sharper Trades, an online trading education site that offers a comprehensive trading program based on technical analysis, candlestick analysis, and option trading strategies. This course is entitled Secrets of Trading Revealed. Learn to trade with smart money. This is a foundation course with the goal to teach aspiring and experienced traders technical analysis skills for better understanding and for successfully trading in the stock market. In this course, you're going to learn how smart money and the other major players operate in the market, the important role smart money, dark pools, and high-frequency trading play in today's market, and how to successfully trade with them instead of against them. You will learn how to determine the dominating market direction, what the four market cycles are, and how price action is reflected into predictable market waves, how to identify areas of support and resistance, and understanding why those areas are there in the first place. You will learn who is in control of price based on specific consolidation and breakout patterns appearing on the chart, how consolidation areas are formed, and how to position yourself before price breaks out of the consolidation and makes a big move. You will also learn how breakouts occur, the difference between true breakouts and false breakouts, how to use price action, volume activity, and different time frames to confirm the breakout, and how to trade the breakout correctly. This course will give you major insights on how the stock market works and how to deal with today's unique market conditions. With all of our videos, please feel free to pause and read the risk disclaimer as often as you need to. Basically, all the information shared in this course is provided for educational purposes only. Trading results can never be guaranteed. This is not an offer to buy or sell stocks, forex, futures, options, commodities, interest, or any other trading security. The information contained within this course, including website pages, videos, written material, live or recorded events, email transmissions, faxes, recorded voice messages, and any other associated messages and media, is provided for informational and educational purposes only. With that in mind, let's move on to our next lecture.